Hello my viewers, hope you are good. Welcome to our channel once again. Today I'm going to speak about making choices. You are the only one who can decide what you will allow to be part of your life. Stop chasing stimulation. It's okay to be bored, to be silent, or to be alone. Sometimes we need to detox from overstimulation and instant gratification to gain clarification and recenter our spirits and paths. You never have to prove yourself or explain yourself to anyone. Never ever. We are only responsible for our lives once we understand this deeply. We begin to make the choices that will lead to our success and happiness. Never become others and hand over your life to them. You are the boss of your life. Many of us have been victimized and we are not victims. So don't give others that power to name you and control your life. You may not be responsible for who you attract, but you are responsible of who you entertain. Remember, the way people treat you is a statement about them, not you. How people treat you is their own way. How to react, it is your choice. You are the only one who can decide what you will allow to be part of your life. Remember to watch, share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.